इट क्लीन्स सो नाइसली और पूरा टाइम मैं इसको यूज करती रहती हूँ बिकॉज बहुत अच्छे से फोम अप हो जाता है. जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स एक्सपेंसिव डजंट मीन इट्स बैड. आई लव द टिंट ऑन दिस. इट्स वेरी क्रीमी, वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are doing our annual traditional yearly roundup, best and worst of beauty 2024. I know थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया ये वीडियो डालने के लिए. It's all because हम इतना ट्रैवल कर रहे थे 2024 के एंड में कि I couldn't put this earlier. But now I'm finally sharing with you all what were the best products, skincare products that really transformed my skin in 2024 and what were the worst disappointments of 2024. To be very honest, disappointments इस बार बहुत ही few है. इतने ज्यादा disappointing products थे नहीं. They were okayish products, but that is only because इतना कुछ difference नहीं किया उसने skin में. ऐसा एकदम disappointment या waste of money टाइप के एकदम कम products थे. तो मैं फटाफट से लास्ट में मेंशन कर दूंगी. First I'll get into the best products which really are transformative and you should try these out. None of this is sponsored. कोई भी एक भी product इसमें sponsored नहीं है. कोई integration नहीं, कुछ नहीं. मैं पूरा आपको honest feedback ही सब पे दे रही हूँ. जैसे भी sponsorship होता है तो भी it's always honest feedback. But in case you feel like there's no transparency over there, here this is everything all transparent. This is only the skincare edition. Let me know in the comments अगर आपको ऐसा makeup edition भी देखना है, then I will do a makeup edition also for you. But उसमें mind you it can be a little expensive. Today's video is not that expensive. My skincare products are mostly mid-range or affordable. Nothing like super duper luxury or anything. Nothing La Mer or that quality का skincare I don't use because फिर difficult हो जाता है वापस खरीदने के लिए. So if you are interested to see all my skincare transformative products of 2024, then continue watching. But if this is the first time you've come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sarah. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit the subscribe button, join the Sarah squad. I'm sure you'll love it here. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to so every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can have straight on this. Okay, I am sitting here bare-faced with you all. मैंने कुछ भी makeup नहीं लगा रखा है because I love to sit in my skincare videos exactly जैसी मैं real life में दिखती हूँ. And something I really want to say is this does not mean like just because I have these scars and marks doesn't mean my skin is bad. Like a lot of people on the internet think कि स्किन केयर वो इंसान क्यों बता रहा है जिसकी स्किन ही खराब है. इसको खराब स्किन नहीं बोलते हैं बॉस. आई हैव हैड रियली खराब स्किन. मैं आप लोगों को फोटोज में दिखा सकती हूँ कि व्हाट माय स्किन लुक्ड लाइक व्हेन आई डिडंट टेक केयर ऑफ इट, व्हेन आई वाज नॉट फेमिलियर विद स्किन केयर, व्हेन आई डिड नॉट नो दैट आई हैड टू टेक केयर ऑफ माय गट टू टेक केयर ऑफ माय स्किन. सो ऑल दैट से पहले जो स्किन थी वो खराब थी. अब जो डैमेज उसने कर दिया है, वो एक्ने ने कर दिया है, वो शायद ही मैं कभी मिटा पाऊंगी. आई विल नेवर बी एबल टू गेट रिड ऑफ दीज स्कार्स एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव ट्राइड ऑल डर्मेट प्रोसीजर्स एंड एवरीथिंग अंडर द sun to get rid of scars and make my skin look like Korean skin, even Korean skincare for that matter, but it won't happen. It will never reverse the damage that is done. But the health of my skin is really good, touch wood, mashallah now, and it's due to a lot of these products. Skincare improves the quality of your skin. It's the defense that your skin has. When you get acne, तो वो marks को कैसे treat कर रहा है? When you get pigmentation या आप sun में जाते हो, pollution में जाते हो, तो वो आपकी skin को protect कैसे कर रहा है? आपकी skin की जो overall quality है, because every 10 to 15 days your dead skin is getting shedded and you have new skin coming up, so the skin's quality is maintained, your barrier is maintained. आपकी skin is your biggest organ in the entire body and its capacity to fight becomes stronger when you care for it with these products. So that's exactly what these products do for you. It's not magic in a bottle. It's not going to reverse and make your skin. plastic surgery नहीं दे देगा मेरे को कि पूरी skin निकाल के वापस बच्चों जैसी skin कर दूं मैं अपनी जो मेरी teenage से पहले थी. और वैसे मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं because this is a reminder that I fought my PCOS battles and I fought those acne in my teenage and all the insecurities that came with it, and today I'm confident, strong and okay to show my real skin for what it is, and this is what reality is. So I wanted to put this disclaimer out there in the open case skincare is not plastic surgery. They are just products that are supposed to help the health of your skin. Okay, so second half of 2024 was the time when I got into Korean skincare and just recently obsession है Korean skincare like November December से ही मैंने शुरू किया use करने, but I'm totally obsessed and totally in love with Korean skincare. पहले it used to not work for me, but now it does, and I recently did a video of my Korean skincare favorites, so I'm not mentioning a single Korean skincare product in today's video. It's only other products like mostly Indian या whatever international products available in India. No Korean products in today's video, but definitely watch my Korean skincare routine because there also you have fabulous products and fabulous favorites of mine which are also very transformative for your skin. Let's start with cleansers. सबसे पहले this year I think my most used cleanser is the Lotus Splash cleanser from 82 East. I know this brand gets bashed a lot on the internet because of its price tag, but I genuinely feel like some of her products are out of the park amazing. This one and the Ashwagandha Bounce, मैंने दोनों को 2 बार खत्म करके खुद अपने पैसों से खरीदा है. This was sent to me in PR, but the Ashwagandha Bounce, the first time I purchased it, I had purchased even a reverse order. अभी मैंने टीरा पे place किया, and I purchase it every time because the texture of that moisturizer is so bouncy and good, and the texture of this cleanser is so gentle and lightweight. It's absolutely amazing. It's very very lightweight and it's very gentle on the skin. I'm telling you, this is my most used cleanser because I have a mini of this, and वो mini के साथ मैंने travel किया है सारे trips पे in 2024. जब मैं लॉस एंजलिस भी लेके गई थी उसको, पूर्णिमा used it, and Purnima is really sensitive skin. Like she doesn't get acne, but she gets redness really quickly on her skin, and she used it and she was like, wow dude, this is really amazing. She's like, I'm getting it when I'm coming to India. Plus you get such a big bottle. What people don't give her credit for is that she's trying to make a luxury skincare brand. It's all about your brand positioning. Just because it's expensive doesn't mean it's bad. It's expensive, so I know a lot of people might not feel comfortable spending your money. I understand, and I will give you dupes, but when you spend your money on this, you can know you're getting a good product because this is a fabulous cleanser if you have sensitive skin. Very gentle, very lightweight, and बहुत ही अच्छा feeling आता है आपकी skin पे when you know cleanse your face with this. Straight up dupe for the Lotus Splash cleanser from A2 East, in my opinion, is the Foxtail hydrating cleanser, which is also a cleanser जो मैंने बहुत use किया in 2024. This one stays permanently in that bathroom, and every time I'm washing my face at the end of the day, I use this cleanser. Very gentle again, super lightweight texture, अच्छे से आपके face पे से सारा कुछ निकाल देता है. It also claims to remove your makeup, but I don't suggest कि आप सीधा makeup के ऊपर इसको ही लगाओ. Use your micellar water or your oil cleansers and then wash your face with this, but it does do a very good job at deeply cleansing your skin. So many of you all have actually purchased this and fallen in love with this. I love Foxtail's cleansers in general. They do a fabulous job with skincare. This is definitely one of my most used this year. Then another one in the mid-range category which I love is my CeraVe foaming cleanser. Love the packaging, love this pump bottle, stays permanently on this vanity ये वाले bathroom का, और पूरा टाइम मैं इसको यूज करती रहती हूँ because बहुत अच्छे से फोम अप हो जाता है, स्किन एकदम अच्छी क्लीन फील करती है, और ये कोई भी क्लेंजर्स आपकी स्किन को ओवरली ड्राई नहीं करते हैं. नो मैटर व्हाट स्किन टाइप you have, you will love the CeraVe foaming cleanser. I have the hydrating one also. So in the winter season, I prefer the hydrating one. It has a texture similar to the Lotus Splash from 82 East. This one's texture is more foamy, it's more soapy and more clean like. And something I can give you in dupe for the CeraVe one, like affordable of this, is the Simple's refreshing cleanser. ये तो साल after साल हर एक साल मेरे best of skin में रहा है, because at this price range, I think Simple does a fabulous job at being vegan, cruelty free, and bringing you amazing skincare. It's very kind to the skin, like their motto is, and it truly like जैसा करना चाहिए काम वो कर रहा है. और सिर्फ 300, 350, 500 रुपए के प्रोडक्ट्स है, और बड़ी ट्यूब आती है. ये ट्यूब मेरी कभी खत्म ही नहीं होती है. It's such a good face wash. This is the refreshing facial wash. They are gentle. The other ranges are also super good. So Simple always makes it to my best of skin for sure. One bougie face wash which I love using is the one from Youth to the People, and I've never mentioned it before because it wasn't available in India before, but now it's there on Tira Beauty. So Tira pe this brand has just come, Youth to the People, and this was their viral cleanser because I think Skincare by Hiram used to work for Youth to the People, and he used to help develop their products, and he had made this product viral. And I had bought it from Spain once upon a time जब मैं Spain गई थी, and I completed the bottle. It was so good. Then once I got it as a mini free from another Sephora somewhere else I had traveled, and that also I finished and obsessed. Like वो product से I was obsessed with this, and I was waiting to travel again to get it, but now finally that it's come to India, I'm again using it and I love it. It cleans so nicely, like it's got kale, green tea, spinach and vitamins, and it's called the Super Food Cleanser. It's just a very good cleanser. Like it cleans your face. अब मैं और क्या बोलूँ, मतलब अच्छी तरीके से आपकी फेस को क्लीन कर देता है, एंड बिल्कुल भी आपकी फेस पे कुछ भी रेसिड्यू नहीं बचता. I feel clean after it. I don't break out when I use all these cleansers because this means they're really doing the job perfectly, you know. क्योंकि थोड़ा भी मेकअप अगर रह गया, आई एम अप्लाइंग मेकअप ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे, तो अगर थोड़ा भी मेकअप रह गया मेरे फेस पे तो मुझे इमीडिएटली ब्रेकआउट आ जाता है. एंड दैट्स एक्जैक्टली व्हाट्स हैपनिंग ओवर हियर. लाइक ओवर हियर यू विल सी थोड़ा बम्पी स्किन. इट्स बिकॉज मेकअप प्रोबेबली बराबर निकला नहीं था इन द पास्ट वीक व्हेन आई वाज शूटिंग नॉन-स्टॉप. सो दीस क्लेंजर्स व्हेनेवर आई यूज, आई डोंट break out. My makeup is removed thoroughly and they do a very good job at cleansing. Next, let's go into cleansing balms. Now cleansing balm के लिए I just mentioned in my Korean skincare video, which is my favorite of all times, but a classic favorite that will never go out of style for me is also the Clinique Take the Day Off balm. My only concern with this is कि मेरी आंखें बहुत ज्यादा जलती है इससे, तो आंखों को अवॉइड करके मैं फुल बेस मेकअप इससे अच्छे से निकाल देती हूँ. आई नो दिस इज एक्सपेंसिव बट यूल नीड द स्मॉलेस्ट टाइनीस्ट अमाउंट टू रिमूव योर मेकअप अच्छी तरीके से. बहुत इमल्सिफाई होता है एंड फुल बेस मेकअप वगैरह सब कुछ अच्छे से निकल जाएगा आपकी फेस पे से. सो दिस इज डेफिनेटली दैट कल्ट क्लासिक फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट जो आप खरीद सकते हो एंड यू कैन ट्रस्ट ऑन इट. प्लस आई लव दैट दिस कम्स इन अ लॉट ऑफ साइजेस. यू कैन बाय द स्मॉल size if you don't wear a lot of makeup or if you're traveling a lot, because I always have the small size and the big size. Since I travel a lot, I travel with the small size of this product. You know, if you've seen my previous best and worst in some year कि उसका जो charcoal variant आता है मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है, वो बकवास है. That was in my worst category. It doesn't do the job well. But this one, this is the OG and this is a classic for a reason. I don't have a lot of other cleansing balms that really blew my mind apart from this in Vanilla & Co, which was in my Korean video. If you've seen my affordable skincare products that perform expensive video, you know I love my Dot & Key's cleansing balm. I think in the affordable section, this is the only brand that has sort of nailed what a cleansing balm is supposed to do. It melts makeup really nicely. This one doesn't even burn your eyes. You might feel like, you know, it leaves like an oily layer on the skin. So people do have a love-hate relationship with this cleansing balm, but I genuinely feel like that's okay because उसके बाद आपको फेस वॉश तो वैसे भी लगा के निकालना ही है. The residual oily feeling is fine with a cleansing balm as long as it really breaks down all your makeup. So no matter how waterproof the makeup, no matter how ever it is, it actually breaks it down अच्छी तरीके से and really removes every single product from your face and takes away every gunk. और फिर आप फेस वॉश भी लगाओगे तो बस इनफ हो गया, आपको micellar water भी लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. That's how good a job this one does. I love the fragrance of it. It's very nostalgic. You can see कि मैंने कितना ज़्यादा use किया despite my Clinique also being over and my Vanilla & Co also being over. This is definitely sitting right up there with the other two cleansing balms that I love. The most used micellar water this year was my Bioderma micellar water. Nothing comes close to how deeply this can remove your makeup. This is the best micellar water on the market. Bioderma is a very trusted brand and I know again expensive but very very good. मैंने सिंगापुर से 2 बड़ी बड़ी बॉटल लेके आई थी और I think कहीं और भी गई थी, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बॉटल्स लेके आई हूँ. इस साल मैंने जितनी बार नायका पे शॉपिंग की, I've stocked up on my Bioderma, so I'm thoroughly using it. You can see ये बॉटल भी आधी खत्म है. I have the छोटू bottles, I have the big bottles, I have that other type of bottle. सब टाइप की बॉटल है मेरे पास Bioderma की. It's that micellar water that you can't go wrong with. It removes your makeup really nicely, waterproof makeup, everything. It just attracts all the dirt and gunk अच्छे से. Nothing of my skin burns. There's nothing wrong with it, and it does what it's supposed to do, and it does a very fine job at that. So that's why I love my Bioderma products so much. The Garnier micellar water is definitely a very good micellar water on a budget, and the Lakme biphasic ones are also very good micellar waters on a budget. The only reason I'm not mentioning them here is because I haven't used it a lot in 2024. But if you want to buy something on a budget, you can try those. But अगर आपने कभी Bioderma नहीं use किया, try it once. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है आप मेकअप लगा के आपकी स्किन ब्रेकआउट करती है, give this Bioderma one a shot and you will see कि अगर आप मेकअप अच्छे से निकाल रहे हो ना, you will not get breakouts due to makeup. Next we are going into the category of moisturizer, and I'm still very much a Clinique Moisture Surge girl. I have gone through so many tubs of this moisturizer. This is the biggest size they have. I just finished this and then I told mummy to order for me, तो मम्मी ने छोटू वाला मंगाया. उनको साइज नहीं समझा, but this is the size I usually buy because there is no doubt that I will finish my Moisture Surge. No matter how many moisturizers I try, even above the Korean moisturizers is Moisture Surge. You can dupe it a bazillion times, but it will never come close to the kind of hydration it gives you, especially with oily acne prone skin. It melts into the skin so nicely, बिल्कुल भी आपको breakout नहीं करता है. It feels so cooling, so calming, and the texture is just something else of Moisture Surge, you know. I remember this has been a cult favorite for years, right? And when I was in college, I used to see all these creators talk about it and not be able to afford it and think it's just a gel moisturizer. Why is it so expensive? And I used to always buy the dupes that they would suggest, but now that I use the real stuff, I can tell you it's expensive for a reason. It's not just the brand name of Clinique जिसकी वजह से उन लोग इतना बड़ा price tag डाल रहे हैं. It's actually a very advanced moisturizer. इसके बाद आपके moisture level skin के कभी भी dry नहीं feel करेंगे. आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि आपकी skin खिंच रही है, या actually repairs your skin, you know. So the hydration is maintained and nothing comes close to Moisture Surge for me ever. Another moisturizer that I greatly loved using on my face and body this year was a CeraVe moisturizing cream. This is a thicker one, so you will not love using it on your face if you are acne prone skin because आपको वो thick चिपचिपा वाला feeling तो जरूर देगा. But body पे मेरे को बहुत मजा आया You can see मैंने पूरा का पूरा खत्म कर दिया इस मॉइस्चराइजर को, कुछ भी नहीं बचा है. I need to buy a new tub of this. CeraVe makes great skincare products. We all know that. But CeraVe's creams are the best because their creams are very hydrating and barrier building. That's their major category that they cater. That they have ceramides in their range. That's why CeraVe. So with ceramides, all of their products are great for your barrier repair. And I have really dry body skin, so I've enjoyed using this tub thoroughly. I was traveling with it also all of 2024. A Dermat approved moisturizer which is great for dry skin is the Physio Gel moisturizer. It's got a thick texture. The texture is not like a lightweight gel like I was talking about Clinique. इसका एकदम like ऐसा thick texture है, but it's not like CeraVe also कि इसका texture आपकी skin में ऐसा absorb नहीं हो जाएगा. CeraVe थोड़ा ज़्यादा thick है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा time लेता है absorb होने के लिए. This is very hydrating, very very hydrating, and Physio Gel is loved by people who have sensitive skin, dry skin. If your skin gets red very fast, great barrier building moisturizer, and is recommended by a lot of dermatologists. Very in the mid category. I think you get 75 grams for I think 600-700 rupees, which is not bad. I mean, it's good because you won't end up using a lot of product. You just need a little bit for your entire face. When I went to Arunachal, I was only using the Earth Rhythms Phyto Repair moisturizer. I had a campaign for them, and this is the moisturizer I carried with me on the trip, and it was so hydrating for my skin because Arunachal में इतनी ज़्यादा ठंडी थी कि skin फट रही थी. Like मेरी हालत खराब हो गई थी, उतनी ज़्यादा ठंडी थी. But this moisturizer not only kept my skin hydrated, but also repaired the barrier of my skin. So I absolutely loved using the Earth Rhythm Phyto Repair. It's a squeezy tube. It's very easy to travel with. You get good amount of product, like in this 50 ml of product, and I don't know how much the MRP, somewhere around 450 rupees. 450 rupees के आसपास MRP है for 50 ml, so not bad at all on the price point. Very creamy, very hydrating. Then in New York, I carried my Plum Barrier Love Moisturizer. This is the new launch by Plum. So I carried it and I fully squeezed it out. My skin loved using this. It's again great for dry skin, barrier repair. General health of your skin stays good if you use ceramides in your skincare routine. मैंने Korean skincare वाले वीडियो में भी बोला था कि I use a lot of peptides and ceramides to just keep my skin's health always good. So even if it's breaking out, after the acne settles, the skin's health and bounce and juiciness of my skin stays intact. That's very very important for me, and that's why Plum's Barrier Love was great in New York. It's creamy, it's quick to absorb, it feels great on the skin, it comes in a squeezy, travel friendly packaging. This also you're getting 50 gram of product, and it comes with vitamin E and allantoin. Affordable favorite moisturizer which is packed with ceramides, but I love this under my makeup because I feel like this has some Korean skincare like properties. It makes your skin look very plump and juicy and very very hydrated. Definitely gives you that glowing skin appearance. So underneath makeup, I absolutely love it. This is the Foxtail Ceramide Hydrating Moisturizer, and it says it gives you 24-hour hydration. It's very affordable, and I love the packaging on this. Like if it's on my vanity, I feel like reaching out to it also much more than I reach out to any other moisturizer if it's like cluttered on my vanity. Dot & Key's Barrier Repair Moisturizer, definitely a favorite for me when it comes to my skin. जब मैं makeup निकालती हूँ, मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाती है, so I need a moisturizer which is barrier repair, lightweight, it sinks into my skin, makes my skin feel good and doesn't break me out, and this does all of that for me. Now it's not been a very big serum year for me. I'm not like discovered any new serum that I've been obsessed with. The old serum which got revamped this year, which I'm loving, is the L'Oreal's Glycolic Bright. This year they added Melisyl to their serum and they've changed the formulation. I went for the launch in Bangkok, and I think it was already a very good serum, and they only improved its effectiveness by putting Melisyl, because now it's even more effective. It was already such a great serum. I think if you have pigmented skin, acne marks, blemishes, UV spots, anything, brown skin needs this serum in your life, because for pigmentation it is great. Like Melisyl is really a game-changing ingredient. I was still loving and using my Ordinary Niacinamide. This is one of the Ordinary products that never goes out of my skincare routine. I'm obsessed with this product, and I've used so many bottles of it, and still I'm very very loyal to this niacinamide serum. It's definitely been game-changing for my acne marks especially. And something on the more budget-friendly side, which is more beginner-friendly also, I think, is the Plum Niacinamide serum. These I think will never go out of my yearly favorites or best of skin favorites, because these are just products you carry forward every year. You keep buying new and new, because ये वाले serums खत्म भी जल्दी हो जाते हैं, आपको नए लगते ही रहते हैं. एंड niacinamide and all, you will, unless the brand it formulates and it's not suiting my skin, there's no reason for me to remove these from my routine. So they're still very much a part of my routine. Plum Niacinamide Toner was a new discovery this year. This is what the toner looks like, and the bottle is really good because it comes with a like a toggle nozzle. तो इसकी nozzle को आप ऐसा open close कर सकते हो, तो travel में ये leak नहीं होगा, which I love because I love travel friendly packaging. I travel a lot, and this spray bottle is so nice. Like, it's so hydrating to the skin. I love just sitting and doing this again and again because I feel fresh, my skin feels fresh. It just revitalizes your skin and makes you very fresh. That's what it does. I don't remember which video exactly, but I have mentioned that for my acne and pigmentation, a dermat recommended serum is the Sesderma Azelaic RU, and this serum is extraordinary. It's very, very good because a liposomal serum with tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid is not that well, I would say, used in Indian skincare, and this is something your dermat will give you. Mostly dermats do give this if you have acne prone skin, but oh my god, such a good serum. It's so good, like it's so good कि इसके बस 2 बूंद से आपकी स्किन बहुत ब्राइट हो सकती है, बहुत पिगमेंटेशन आपका ट्रीट हो सकता है. बस ये बहुत ज्यादा महंगा है, लाइक नियरली 3200 ऐसा कुछ प्राइस है इसका, बहुत महंगा है. मैं इसको एकदम ऐसा थोड़ा थोड़ा करके यूज करती हूँ, और मैंने 2 बॉटल खत्म किए इस पूरे साल में. सो आई लव इट. दिस ड्रॉपर इज द वर्स्ट though. I really feel like they need a new packaging vendor because all the bottles I buy from them, the dropper is not the most effective dropper, but the product is so good. It's the best serum for acne and pigmentation. If you can really splurge your money, buy the Sesderma Azelaic RU. You will love it. Time for a lot of sunscreens. We all need to protect our skin from sun damage, and sun damage is something that हमको ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ tanning ही sun damage है, but सिर्फ tanning sun damage नहीं है. Premature signs of aging, UV spots, all of it is sun damage, and applying a sunscreen and also reapplying is important. I'm not much of a reapplier, but I definitely apply my sunscreen once and अच्छी तरीके से. You know my obsession with the Isdin sunscreen. This is a fusion water sunscreen. Why I love this is because it doesn't break me out. It's very highly absorbent and it's water resistant also. So if you sweat a lot या आप swimming जा रहे हो, then this is the sunscreen you should prefer using. I love it. I love the formula. It is on the pricier side. It's 2000 rupees. It can get expensive, but if you want to invest in your skincare, invest in the Isdin sunscreen. You will absolutely love it. The texture is one of my favorite textures of sunscreen actually. It's got the most runny texture and मेरे almost सारे ही खत्म हो रखे हैं currently. But yeah, it doesn't give you any white cast. Beautiful sunscreen. I don't have any product on my face. I'm just gonna reapply my sunscreen as I speak to you because not like I am much of a reapplier, but I should become one. because it does help just with skin damage. सनस्क्रीन कितना भी SPF बोले वो आपके स्किन पे 2-3 घंटे बाद नहीं टिकने वाला है, तो it is important that you reapply your sunscreen. If you don't have the choice or the money you want to splurge on an Isdin or anything in that price category for a sunscreen like the Beauty of Joseon one, then you should try the Dot & Key's Barrier Repair Sunscreen. Very similar in texture and really good sun protection. If you'll see the texture of this and the texture of Isdin is very identical. I wouldn't say this is water resistant, but it's a great sunscreen nonetheless. Doesn't give you white cast and it's super hydrating on the skin. Plus it has extra ceramides and barrier repair product. तो अगर आप कभी moisturizer भूल गए हो दिन के टाइम पे तो it's fine. You can just apply this and you can skip on moisturizer. So it's sort of like a multi-purpose product, which is why I love this one the most. अभी फटाफट से I'm going to tell you other sunscreen favorites. We know I love the Dermaco Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Sunscreen Gel. Used it, love it. The sun protection works. The texture is absorbent and the texture is very good for all skin types. This sunscreen is one of the best in the affordable categories. A mattifying sunscreen if you don't want the chipchipa, oily, dewy feeling at all is the Foxtail Mattifying Sunscreen. Again, a great sun protection product. This is the SPF 70 PA+++ and it prevents tanning. I love the texture. मैं तो हर चीज टेक्सचर के हिसाब से बोल रही हूँ आपको, और अगर ये सन प्रोटेक्शन देता है या नहीं देता है वो मैंने अपने खुद के ट्रिप्स पे यूज करके आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ. तो ये सारी चीजें ऑफकोर्स सन प्रोटेक्शन देती है. ये वाला थोड़ा सा टाइम लेता है अब्सॉर्ब होके, थोड़ा व्हाइट कास्ट आपको देगा, बट इट्स फाइन. इट्स मैट एज हेल एंड इट विल नॉट फील शाइनी नहीं लगेगी आपकी स्किन. तो यू डोंट वांट दैट फीलिंग. देखो एकदम मैट हो गई स्किन, तो दैट्स द फीलिंग यू विल गेट. आई हैव लव्ड यूजिंग द Novology's ultralight sunscreen gel. I think this feels most fabulous on my skin. It's very lightweight and you need to reapply for sure with this one. This only has SPF 30, but I just think the texture is so good. You can see मैंने पूरी like tube खत्म कर दी है. इसमें बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट बचा है. मैंने most of the product use कर लिया. It's slightly on the mid mid-range side. It's not very affordable, but it's a good product from a good brand which can be trusted. I have fully used my Plum's hybrid sunscreen. This is the rice water and niacinamide sunscreen, which is hybrid. So it is basically mineral and chemical sunscreen ka mixture. I've never really shown a preference towards mineral or chemical sunscreen. For me, a sunscreen is something I will apply, use. अगर मुझे feel अच्छा लगा, white cast नहीं दिया, and जब मैं trips पे use कर रही हूँ tanning से बचा रहा है, तो then that sunscreen works for me, and that's pretty much what all these sunscreens do for me. Now we're done with the face category. This is everything I loved using on my face this year. What I loved using on my body, in my body care, it's super simple. I wash my body, I moisturize my body. There is not much I do for it. Of course, I apply perfume, but perfume is not going to be in this section. Let me know if you want to see a perfume favorites kind of video, because there would be a lot, and mostly it will be expensive. तो पहले से बता रही हूँ. But if you're interested, I will do it for you. For body washes, I love my Be Body by Salicylic Acid body wash. This is something that helps if you have bumpy skin, and I don't really have bumpy skin all over, but I do have a bumpy back. Like sometimes I get texture on my back, so I somehow reach with my body wash at the back and scrub my back with this body wash. Love it for textured skin, and this is my second bottle actually of this body wash. Another very good one for textured skin that launched this year only is the Dove's body wash. They came out with like a lot of variants, but this is the one I have and I love using. I also love the fragrance on this. बहुत ही fresh feeling आती है जब आप shower से निकलते हो, and it has vitamin C in it, so it helps with brightening and definitely has exfoliant beads which are not like too harsh on your skin. They're the serum infused kind of exfoliant beads, and Dove is that one brand with body care that I can always trust and always use and always know कि हाँ इनके products अच्छे ही होंगे. Like Nivea, Dove, ये सारे तो classic मम्मी के time से brands है जो can't go wrong with them. Something I discovered this year and enjoyed using was the Mario Badescu AHA Botanical Body Soap. This has such a nice like herbal sort of fragrance to it and very fresh. Like I don't know why when I have a bath with this, it reminds me of one of my island vacations. It's like those body washes, you know, जो आपके वो hotel के shower में वो लोग रखते हैं, वैसी type की fragrance है इसकी. It's got AHAs in it, so it's again an exfoliant type, so it helps to brighten your skin. I feel like I don't end up applying serum all over my body, so I don't get time to brighten my body, and most of the time I'm only doing things to my face and neck. So my face and neck are a different color and my body is definitely a different skin tone, and most of the people have that. But when I just use these exfoliant body washes, I'm making sure that dead skin अच्छे से निकल जाए and my body stays clean, and then when I moisturize and my body is hydrated, so this general health of my skin is maintained. For body moisturizer, you all know I love and trust my Bioderma Atoderm Intensive Balm. ये बहुत सारे best of the final year में रहे हैं. Roundup में, yearly roundup में इसका आप देख सकते हो कटी हुई ट्यूब है, ऐसे कटी हुई बहुत सारी ट्यूब है because I use it till the end, and when you're applying body moisturizer it gets over so fast because I have a big body to cover and there's just so much surface area I have to cover with moisturizer. This is a thick nice moisturizer for dry and sensitive skin. I have really dry, really sensitive skin all over my body and I absolutely love it. It's pricey but it's worth it. Another pricey but worth it, and I am kind of surprised that I like it, moisturizer for me was this one by Sol de Janeiro. This is their Bum Bum Cream, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and every time I used to see this in the store I should not pick it up for myself because I was like it's okay क्या ही होगा इतना खास, but it's an addiction. You smell so yummy and your skin is so hydrated, like literally till the end of the day you will know कि you have moisturizer on your body, and जब नहाने जाओगे ना तो वो ऐसा पानी will literally go off your skin. That's how moisturized your skin is. It is not dry with this. So the moisturization in this Bum Bum Cream is really good. Not just the fragrance. The fragrance is so addictive, but the texture and the moisturization is beautiful, very addictive, and I finished one tub. So good. It's so like beachy, caramelly, very nice, and I have like another fresh one in the bedroom right now which is in use, and ये भी आधा खत्म हो गया. So it is expensive but it is definitely worth your money. Very hydrating and very good to smell. In the affordable section, I can tell you an almost dupe of that is my Vanilla Caramello body lotion from Plum. I definitely use this more than the Bum Bum Cream actually because the pump on this is so easy to just, when I come out of the shower I do tuk tuk and all over my body I apply this. Easy to apply, very fast to absorb, and makes me smell delicious. The hydrating factor on the Bum Bum Cream definitely lasts longer than this does. So it's like you're paying for the hydration. That's what you're paying for. If you want the fragrance only and you don't mind reapplying your moisturizer, go for the Plum one. You'll love it and your pocket will love it too. Oh, Plum launched the Marshmallow Melt this year and I am easily obsessed. They launched in the second half of the year, but this I used in New York, and after I came back also I just could not stop using it. Makes you smell like a dessert, and how? Like a कपकेक फॉर श्योर. लाइक जो भी ना प्लम की टैगलाइन होती है वो एक्चुअली मुझे फील भी होती है दिल में, क्योंकि वो इतना ज्यादा ट्रू टू टैगलाइन है. लाइक एक्चुअली स्मेल्स लाइक व्हेन आई अप्लाई दिस वन, लाइक रीत इज लाइक यू आर नॉट स्मेलिंग लाइक अ ह्यूमन, लाइक यू डोंट स्मेल स्टिंकी एंड बैड. एंड ये वाला तो बहुत ही मीठा है. लाइक इफ यू डोंट लाइक टू स्वीट फ्रेग्रेंसेस यू विल नॉट लाइक दिस, बट आई लाइक इट. Like I don't mind sweet fragrances. I have a problem with overly floral fragrances, but this is sweet and this is nice. So nice. Okay, body sunscreen. Loved using the Be Body Wise body sunscreen. Traveled with this to Koh Samui. Last I went to Bali and I traveled this with this. It's super. Sunscreen लगाने वैसे भी कंटाला आता है, but ये sunscreen spray है, तो आप लगाओगे and आप देखोगे कि वो बहुत easily आपकी skin में absorb हो जाता है बिना कोई white cast छोड़े, and great sun protection for the body. So loved using the Be Body Wise sunscreen spray. Almost over. For my underarm care, I love my roll-ons which have AHA, BHA in them. The Be Body Wise one and the Wishcare one both have AHA, BHA, kind of the same ingredients, and I love using both of them. They smell different. Like the Be Body Wise one smells like talcum powder wala feeling dega aapko, whereas the Wishcare one is more fresh and aqua. This fragrance is very like men's deodorant, but both don't have alcohol. They're sulfate and paraben free, and both claim to lighten your underarms. Honestly, I haven't seen any lightening happen, but they protect my underarms. They smell good and they keep me away from bad odor like body odor. So I love using them. For me, underarm roll-on is a must. Like I apply roll-on, then I apply body mist, and then I apply perfume. That's like my layering routine. Taking you through the most used lip balms of 2024 really quickly. The first one's an oldie but a goodie, the Dot & Key Gloss Boss in the shade Cocoa Mint. It's a nice brownie texture. I really like how this looks, how this feels. I love the tint on this. It's very creamy, very hydrating. It actually is a great lip balm if you're just going out to meet your friends, going down, or just staying at home, work from home kind of days. It's super hydrating and super nourishing. I actually have a disappointing lip balm from Dot & Key also, but this one is definitely one that I love. And the same variant, I love the rose blush because it gives you a pinkish sort of a tint. This one I always keep on my work desk, and the pink tint that the rose blush gives is also beautiful. Then Simply Nam launched their lip balms and I've been obsessed ever since. All of their shades are really good. This is the shade Sugar, and you can see there's no tint on it. It's just a clear lip gloss like a lip balm, but so hydrating and so long wearing. And I think for the price tag, this is great. I have the shade Brownie also, and it is beautiful. Brownie is a great like my lips but better kind of shade. And there's the shade Cupcake. That's a pink that doesn't suit me, but I love Sugar and Brownie the most. Then Wishcare's lip balm is your classic iconic like just tuck wala lip balm. It's not very juicy looking for your lips, but it's hydrating and it's got SPF. That's why I love Wishcare. Like I keep this in my bag at all times. This is like your Vaseline and your Nivea, which will always be in my bag. The Wishcare lip balm. Then Dot & Key launched this lip balm which I really liked, and especially in this plum coke color. It's a darker color. It's a roll-on kind of lip balm. It has some amount of tint to it, and this doesn't melt away. It's more balmy and definitely hydrating on your lips. I loved the Indivild Dewy lip treatment a lot, but I lost it. Lip balms and lipsticks go missing in my house very easily because my mom comes, she picks something up and she takes it to her house. And if my sister comes, she picks something up, she takes it to her house, and then I don't know where these things go missing. So I love my Indivild Dewy lip treatment. I need to buy a new one because now mine has gone missing. अब मैं ढूंढ रही थी वीडियो के लिए और मुझे मिला ही नहीं, but it's too good. It's too good. It's definitely a very hydrating, lovely lip balm, very long wearing on your lips, and the moisture level stays good after that lip balm. It's slightly on the pricey side, but definitely worth it because you're getting a big tube with Indivild. ये सारी एकदम छोटी ट्यूब्स है. Indivild की अच्छी बड़ी ट्यूब आती है. I'm yet to try the tinted ones which recently launched, but the classic one is definitely great on your lips. It doesn't make your lips look very Vaseline like also. Like the color is nice. It's very sheer. Now we come to the disappointing products of 2024. First thing that disappointed me is the Hyphen Rice Water Daily Cleanser. I don't think it's a great cleanser. It doesn't do anything for brightening. I don't think it cleans your face really nicely. It's a very blah texture with a very blah cleanser. मतलब एकदम ही average से भी below average सा product है. कुछ तो कर नहीं रहा है अलग से, ऐसा खाली product launch करने के लिए कर दिया वैसा वाला feeling है. बाकी Hyphen के products are good. They are not revolutionary skincare. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं जिसने मेरी skin को transform किया है, which is why they are not not in my revolutionary products of the year. Like I've not used something and been obsessed with it, and I was very disappointed with this product. I actually bought it as a primer and it came in the primer category on Nykaa, but this is a rice whitening cream from Romand and does not, like, it's not made for brown skin for sure. Like it will leave a white cast on your skin, and how, I don't know what other category you would buy this under, but Romand as a brand, I love their juicy lasting tints and I love their product so much. But look at this cream, like even if it's a whitening cream, why is it turning your face white? Like you're not supposed to become white, you know. So it's supposed to just be a normal cream or a normal moisturizer. I bought this with my money, and what a waste of money it's been. I bought it as a primer thinking it's a primer, but no, it's not a primer. It's nothing great, and Romand disappointed me even though I love the brand. This product is just not it for Indians, at least. I don't know how Koreans use it. Then you know I love the Novology Ultralight Sunscreen Gel. Well, the tinted sunscreen gel was not a vibe. The texture is great, but the color, like tinted में एक ही color उन्होंने launch किया, and ये color is like very fair for my skin tone, so it will give you white cast and give you like a beigeish sort of an appearance. It doesn't pill up. The texture is beautiful, but I'm not a fan of how it looks because of the skin tone. And when you have tinted sunscreen, you know, you should at least have 4-5 shades. Like Dot & Key's tinted sunscreen has shades at least in it. I don't use it as much, but at least it has shade. This one is just like, I don't even feel like using, even though I love the texture because of how my skin looks after it. Then even the Hyphen sunscreen pills up a lot. Like अगर आप लगाओगे और आपको blend करना है skin में, वो powdery ऐसा texture बन के निकल जाएगा आपकी face पे से. So this is another flop from Hyphen. I'm not saying that Hyphen's products are bad. They are good, but some of the products are just like, this is a matte sunscreen, and the more you like keep on rubbing it into your skin, it will pill up into balls. और इसके ऊपर अगर आप makeup लगाओगे तो makeup एकदम patchy apply होगा. So I didn't enjoy the feel and the use of the matte sunscreen. It's a very like silicone-y feel is what I get from this sunscreen. And then Dot & Key's this वाला barrier repair ceramide and peptide lip balm. Starting में मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा ये use करने. I was recommending it left, right and center. और फिर जैसे जैसे मैं रखी हुई थी ना इसको, this starts separating really badly. Like look at that. सिर्फ oil comes out and the color comes out later. I don't know if you can see or zoom in on my hand, but yeah, it's a very like inconsistent texture. You will not enjoy the feel on your hands or your lip, and the तेल उसका separate हो जाता है. So that's the major thing, that it separates as you keep it on your shelf, and that's the reason that this particular barrier repair peptide वाला lip balm from Dot & Key kind of disappointed me. You know, overall I love Dot & Key. Others other products भी उधर से थे, but this lip balm was not it. That is everything that I loved and did not like in the year 2024 from the skincare category. There's a lot. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बात की है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास भी लग रही है. This is definitely my favorite video to make. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Definitely share it with all your skincare junkies. All the products that I loved are linked in the description box for you. Of course, what I didn't like, I will not link for you because I don't recommend it. For this video, Sasko Short goes to Jenny Tishi. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video, Sasko Short, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also, comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad. And just part of my next video, Sarah Squad. Shout out. Guys, very soon another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.